Jai Gurudev. Welcome to online session. Now I am going to recall from the previous chapter the snake boat race. What is Onam? Onam is a harvest festival. Who is Charu? Charu is Chinmaya's elder brother. Who was Mahabali? Yes, Mahabali was a Daman king. I think all of you understood this topic well. Now we are going to see the next topic in grammar. Assertive and interrogative sentence. What is the topic? Assertive and interrogative sentences. Good. First of all, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Now we are going to see the types of sentences. First, what is it? Assertive sentence. Next is interrogative sentence. What are the types of sentences? Assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Can you guess what it is? Yes, of course it is an assertive sentence because it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now we are going to see the other names of assertive sentence. The other names of assertive sentence are affirmative, positive, negative, and declarative. What are the other names of assertive sentence? Can you say? Yes, affirmative, positive, negative, and declarative. Now we are going to see the assertive sentence. Yes, what is meant by assertive sentence? Can you say? A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Assertive sentence ends with a full stop. And sentences which give a positive or affirmative sense are called affirmative sentences. And also the sentences which give a negative meaning are called negative sentences. What does it ends with? Yes, it ends with a full stop. Now we are going to see the examples for assertive sentence. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Sanya is good at drawing. Yes, can you see? In these examples, it begins with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. So what kind of sentence it is? Good. It is an assertive sentence. Yes, can you guess what it is? Yes, of course, it is an interrogative sentence which ends with a question mark. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. What does it ends with? It ends with a question mark. Now we are going to see some example for interrogative sentence. What is your name? How old are you? Do you have any work for me? Are we going to the beach today? So in these examples, it begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Now I'm going to recap from the topic and you're going to identify whether it is assertive or interrogative sentence. First one, Ram is playing a football. What kind of sentence it is? It is a statement. So it is an assertive sentence because it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Do you want to go there? What kind of sentence it is? It is a form of question. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence. The sun rises in the east. It is a form of statement. Where is your pen? It is an interrogative sentence. Last comes, there are fishes in the pond. So what kind of sentence it is? It is an assertive sentence. Hope all of you enjoyed my class. Thank you, dears.